Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video today. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use your buy long tool and place a buy position using paper trading on your TradingView, right? But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this, right? So without wasting much time, let's get to the video. So right now I'll be using BCH USDT for this video. I'll just click on it. Once I click on it, to make my chart look bigger, I click on this icon. Once I click on it, this is how it looks like now. I've analyzed my chart and I want to buy. And where do I want to buy? Now I'll take out my rectangle tool. If you don't know how to use your rectangle tool, you can check in the description below. There will be a video for that, or you can check on our YouTube channel. We've already done a video for that explaining how to use your rectangle tool, so if you don't know how to use it. So right now this is where I want to buy if price get to this point. So right now I'll just go ahead and look for my long position tool right here. You can see right here, I'll click on it. Now I'll come right here, I'll place my long position tool. Now my stop loss will be right below here. Remember, this red is where your stop loss is and this is where your take profit is. Now I want to take profit right here. This is almost 1:5. Now I've already placed my position. Now I want to place a buy order using this and using my paper trading view, right? So I'll just go ahead and click on it. These three dots right here, I'll click on it. You see where the right create limit order, I'll click on it. Now you can see right here I've already created a limit order. You can see my stop loss right here and my take profit right here. So right now I'll just go ahead and click on this buy icon. I'll click on buy, and now my limit order has been placed. You can see that my limit order has been placed right here. You'll be seeing my stop loss, my entry and my take profit right here. So this is the simplest way on how to create a limit order on TradingView using paper trading, right? If you're still watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.